Hello and welcome back to our CSS tips and tricks series. In today's episode, we'll learn how to include a Bootstrap icon in your project and how to use them using pseudo-class and pseudo-elements. Let's get started. In today's video, we'll be working with same demo from the previous video about how to insert content into your HTML element using pseudo-class and pseudo-elements. What we'll be doing today is learning how to include a Bootstrap icon in our project and how to use pseudo-elements to create an effect that when a user hovers a button, an icon will be displayed. As you can see here, we have the same code from our previous video. We have a section with a class of container, and inside of that container we have a button with the class a button hyphen icon. Inside that button we have a span with the text of button. If you go to our browser here, you can see this is the same example from the previous video. When a user hovers this button, I want an icon to show up. For that we are using the Bootstrap icon library. You can use other libraries like Google Icons or Font Awesome Icons to do this trick right here. So before that, let's go to the official website for the Bootstrap icon. First of all, you have to know the Bootstrap icon is free, it's high quality, it's open source, and have a variety of icons, over 2,000 icons. And why should you use the Bootstrap icon instead of the other ones? Because it's free, it's high quality, it's easy to use, it's easy to include in your project, it's independent from Bootstrap framework. Plus, the icons come in SVG, SVG Sprite, or web fonts. Before you use it, you have to insert it in your project. To do that, you come right here in this install, click on it, and we can see right here that we have three options to include the Bootstrap library in your project. The first one is package manager, this one right here. If you are using npm for package management, you can use this option. Or if you prefer to have this Bootstrap library inside of your project, you can download the zip folder and unzip it and include it in your project. Or you can use content delivery network, which is the one we'll be using for this video. You have two options using that. You can use the link inside of your head element, or you can import it inside of your style sheets using this option below. So just copy this one, come here in your code and just paste it. To test it, let's go back to the icon. You can come right here, click on the icons, and we can search for any icon. Let's try airplane. I want to add this airplane. Just copy this thing. You see right here is an HTML tag. Just we'll have to paste it right here inside of this button. Give it some space, save it, view on a browser. You can see our library is available inside of our project. The goal is to, when a user hovers the button, to show up this icon. So just remove this one. We'll be including this icon using pseudo-elements. See right here we have just our style sheets. We have styles for the header, the section container, the button, and when the user hovers the button. And here we change the span value of the display to be inline block element. So to do that, you just come in right here. You have to target this button class dot icon hyphen button when the user hovers. So we use a pseudo-class hover. We want to target the span, and we want to insert the text before. First of all, let's do with the pseudo-element before. So the first thing we need to do is using the property called content. We'll use this one to insert the icon. To do that, if you go back to the website for the icons, you can see right here where it says code points, we have this CSS code. Just copy this one and paste it right here inside of this as a value for this content property. Then I want the color for the icon to be white. I want to add some margin. So margin will be 8 pixels. And the font size will be inherit. That means the icon will be 16 pixels for the font size, because it's inside of the button, and the button has a font size of 16 and is inherit from it. And then we have the text hyphen rendering to be auto. Save it. Let's view on the browser. When the user hovers, you see right here, but the icon is not displaying. To solve this issue, you come right here. We define the font size, font family actually, will be Bootstrap Icons. Save it, view on a browser, and now you have your airplane showing up. You can also use the pseudo elements after. Just save it, and now the icon will be after the bottom text. As you can see, you can use the font family, and for each icon, if you come right here, let's select another one, let's say this, you will see right here the code. Just copy and paste it right here, and another icon will be displaying. This is because the Bootstrap icon library already comes with all the icon classes and names to be ready to use. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CSS tips and tricks. Stay tuned.